Hey everybody, welcome back with Winter Antiques. Today, doing a little something different. Got that around my neck because I got a bunch of stuff in my arms for Sammy. But, working out today, I'm going to do some tree removal with Sammy. So, got a different tire put on the Suburban. You'll see that video coming out later where I talk about that. Next, we'll fix the front end, hopefully soon. Very soon, hopefully. But I've been having tire issues and front end issues, and I don't really want to drive out here today, so I'll show you. So, walking down this path to go cut down trees like these. Stuff like that. But I don't know how many acres he has here, maybe like 40 or something. He's got like a Google Maps of the place, and he just circled spots where he wants these trees removed. So that's what we're gonna go and do today. I think I'm gonna just focus on taking out little trees today, like that little guy right there. And then if I do need to go and get the chainsaw, I can walk back to the Suburban, go get the chainsaw, and take out whatever I need with the chainsaw, put it away. But that is what we're doing today. And I don't know if you can see it in the video, but hold on, let me put something down. That hill right over there, we're working on the other side of that, so got a little bit of a walk today. I could have drove, obviously, the path I could have drove, but I don't know. I don't really need any more things to happen with the Suburban today, so just parked her at the gate. Gonna walk in, get my work done today. Sammy's all excited. Anyway, that's what I am up to today. I will get some listing done later today. I did do some pictures last night to prep for the day, in case I did come out and do this. Still get at least 10 to 15 listings out tonight. I brought 2 gallons of water for Sammy, pretty much. See how long we last. Alright, see you on the next one.